Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying After Effects CC 2019 or newer and opening the Essential Graphics panel. Once done, import the Mogget or template comp directly into your project panel. Do not waste time with extra folders. You pick the main composition as the source in Essential Graphics, then drag properties, text, color, motion into the panel. Make sure to name each exposed control clearly, because later you need predictable fields to edit in Premiere or to re-export a new template. You now customize the middle of the job. Expose and group the most used controls in Essential Graphics so editors see clean fields. Once that's done, relink logos, fonts, and footage. Use collect files to gather assets if you'll move the project. Make precise timing edits by adjusting keyframes and simplifying or adding expressions. When you tweak 3D layers, preview at 24 and 30 FPS to ensure motion looks consistent. Remember to lock any layers that must not shift during later edits. You finish by exporting either a new Mogget from Essential Graphics or rendering a final movie through Media Encoder. Choose Mogget for reusable templates. Once exported, import the template into Premiere and test every editable field, text length, color swatches, duration, so you catch layout shifts. If something breaks, a key troubleshooting tip: clear After Effects cache, relink missing fonts, and simplify any complex expressions. This often resolves broken previews or template errors without rebuilding the comp from.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.